The Bermuda Triangle, a mysterious, almost mythical, region in the western part of the North Atlantic Ocean where countless ships and planes are said to have disappeared without a trace. It's a place that has haunted our imaginations for generations. But what's really going on in this infamous Devil's Triangle? Let's dive in and separate the facts from the fiction. First, let's get our bearings. The Bermuda Triangle isn't an officially recognized geographic area, but it's generally defined as the stretch of ocean between Miami, Florida, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico. This vast expanse covers roughly 500,000 square miles of open sea. For decades, legends have painted it as one of the most dangerous stretches of water on the planet, a place where strange phenomena, bizarre weather, and inexplicable disappearances are the norm. So, what could be causing these alleged incidents? The theories are as vast and deep as the ocean itself. Many scientists point to natural explanations. The Gulf Stream, a powerful and turbulent ocean current, flows right through this area. It can create sudden, dramatic changes in weather, spawning unpredictable storms and massive rogue waves capable of swamping even large vessels in moments. Another popular scientific theory involves magnetic anomalies. The idea is that this region has unusual magnetic variations that could confuse traditional compasses, leading navigators astray. Some have even proposed that massive eruptions of methane gas from the ocean floor could create huge, foamy patches of water that are no longer dense enough to support a ship, causing it to sink instantly without warning. Of course, the stories that truly fuel the legend are the famous disappearances. The most well-known is the case of Flight 19. On December 5, 1945, 5 U.S. Navy Avenger torpedo bombers took off from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, for a routine training mission. They never returned. Even more mysteriously, a rescue plane sent to search for them also vanished. Over the years, countless other vessels, from massive cargo ships like the USS Cyclops to small private yachts, have been reported lost under puzzling circumstances. These unsolved cases have opened the door to more imaginative explanations. Some people claim extraterrestrial involvement, suggesting UFOs abduct ships and planes for unknown reasons. Others point to supernatural forces or even a portal to another dimension. But despite these thrilling ideas, concrete evidence remains elusive. Now, for a dose of reality. Many experts, including the U.S. Coast Guard and marine insurance companies, argue that the Bermuda Triangle is no more dangerous than any other heavily traveled part of the ocean. They point out that this region sees a huge amount of traffic from commercial ships, cruise liners, and private planes every single day. When you consider the sheer volume of activity, the number of accidents isn't statistically unusual. In fact, many of the so-called mysterious disappearances have later been explained by severe weather, human error, or mechanical failure. With today's advanced technology, like GPS, satellite tracking, and vastly improved weather forecasting, navigating the area is safer than ever before. Many of the old legends were born in a time when navigation was far less precise and communication was unreliable. So, what's the final verdict? Is the Bermuda Triangle a cursed vortex of doom, or just a busy patch of ocean with a bad reputation? The truth likely lies somewhere in between the myth and the mundane. The natural forces at play in this region are undeniably powerful and demand respect. At the same time, many of the stories have been sensationalized and exaggerated over the years. The Bermuda Triangle continues to fascinate us because it represents the unknown, a place where mystery meets science and legends blur with reality. Whether it's a genuine paranormal hotspot or simply a testament to the power of a good story, the enigma of the Bermuda Triangle will keep capturing our imagination for years to come. Thanks for joining us on this exploration. If you enjoyed this, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to explore more mysteries of our world.